2025, reliability is no longer just a luxury, it's a necessity. With rising repair costs, complex electronics, and busy lives, no rider wants to be stuck on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. That's why we've rounded up 7 motorcycles that are not only fun to ride, but so reliable, you might actually forget what your mechanic looks like. So whether you're commuting daily, heading out on long tours, or just looking for a stress-free machine, these are the bikes you can truly count on. 7. Honda CB 500X. Honda's CB 500X is like that one friend who's always on time, never complains, and gets the job done. 60 plus miles per gallon, legendary Honda engine, and a cult following among commuters and light tours. 6. Yamaha MT-07. The MT-07 doesn't just look fun, it is. But don't mistake its simplicity for weakness. This bike can handle abuse and keep going. That 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin, it's nearly indestructible. 5. Suzuki SV 650. The SV 650 has been around forever for a reason. Affordable, smooth V-twin, and a chassis that just works. This thing can survive beginner abuse and track days alike. 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. This Indian-made adventure bike has proven itself on the highest roads in the world. Basic? Yes. But that's the point. It has less to go wrong, and parts are dirt cheap. 3. BMW R1250 GS. Luxury and durability don't often go together, but the GS says otherwise. With regular maintenance, this beast can rack up over 200,000 miles. Easy. It's a long-distance champ. 2. Kawasaki KL R650. If cockroaches had wheels, they'd be KLR 650s. These bikes survive wars, third world roads, and clumsy owners. Bulletproof, fuel efficient, and built for abuse. 1. Harley-Davidson Road. King American heritage meets durability. Road Kings are designed for the long haul. If you take care of it, this V-twin cruiser will outlive your grandkids. Whatever your riding style, one of these bikes is your ticket to years of peace of mind riding. Get one, ride it, trust it,